Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of message box class in C#. Okay, message box class is nothing but you will be displaying a message on the screen in front of you. When a form is being displayed, that form will display a certain message on the screen. For that reason, you are using the message box class. Okay, your message box class, it's a member of the Windows dot forms message box. Okay, system dot windows dot forms consists of this message box class. Okay, it will be showing certain messages, it may be prompting certain messages, it may be confirming with certain messages, and it may give a warning to the user. This message box. Okay, and it shows a message box. It calls for a method called message box, and it will be displaying the certain message on the screen through that particular method only. Okay, simply a show method is being used in the message box, which shows the message on the screen. Whatever string is being considered within that particular message box dot show, that string, it will be shown on the screen. Okay, so this message box, it has a method. You can check out with the method which is being presented here. A method which is there in the form. When you click on the form, it will be displaying in the beginning with the form methods. Afterwards, when you introduce a button on the screen, you can check out, when you introduce a button on the form called OK, what does it do is, it just goes to the private button click, object center and events arc. In that, if you mention message box show hello world, it will just, when I click the button here OK, it will just show the message hello world. Okay, same way in the method, if we enter message box dot show hello world comma help, when we click on OK button, it will display the message hello world, and even it will be displaying the help option. Okay, another method, private void button click object sender event tags e, it will be showing a method with the message that is hello world. It will be showing help, even a message box buttons called as OK and cancel, it will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so message box, it will display this message, either it may be this one, it may be this options. It will be displayed on the screen with the OK and cancel buttons if you include. Okay, this message box class, even it consists of other members within the message box. Those are abort, read, try and ignore. These are the buttons which are being there. OK button is there, even OK cancel button is there, retry cancel is there, yes no is there, and yes no cancel. All these buttons are said to be present, which can be included within the message box dot show. Okay, even in the message box dot show, you can include even such as like hello world. Okay, even it shows the message. uh, okay, it will even show the message like message box buttons. Okay, even message box icon information, that also it will be present on the screen. Icon, you can check out for the various icons which will be displayed. In this example, icon of information is being printed. You can even, it's nothing but asterisk information includes this icon. Then I want to print certain error message, then I can use this icon and it will be printed on the screen. When I use the warning message is there, then I use this message. Okay, when I want to ask a question, if anything I want to display the question over the screen, then you use this icon on the screen. Okay, which are nothing but the members of the message box class. Okay, the Windows Forms application, the Windows Form, it is mainly, it's an aspect which is said to be a window which is displayed in front of you. Windows Form include one window which is being displayed in front of you, where you can design on the form, you can do certain creations, you can add certain buttons, you can have a control over that particular form by in like giving some code on this screen. But mainly the application, either it may have single form or it may have multiple forms within a namespace. Okay, within a namespace, either it can be a single application or a multi-form. With a single application it can include, and it belongs to the system.windows form, your Windows form, okay, and it can create multiple forms at a time, and it can include multiple controls over the form. This even the form consists of the format which is being specified here, or you can say the structure of the form can be displayed here. The form consists of this structure where the first one, this is called as the icon, okay, and this caption which name it is being given there, and this is your caption bar which is being specified, and you have the control box. This, it minimizes the screen. This one it will adjust the screen, and this one it will be cancelling the screen, okay. Minimize, maximize and cancel, this screen options are being provided, which is called as the control box. And you have the area here which is called as the client area, where you can include any of the buttons, you can include labels, you can include text boxes, many applications, you can use many things within this particular form. And this is your border of the form, okay. This is how a Windows form it would be, and you can include multiple options within the form. So in this session you have learned about the message box, which are the things which are being included in the message box, which are the members of the message box, and how do you include a message box, that you have learned, plus even a form design, a form, what does it consist of, that you have learned in this session, okay. In the next session you will be learning about the other concept like buttons, labels, and other concepts you will be learning in the next session, okay. Thank you.